Hi, this is Kazuyo. In this lesson, you'll draft complete pattern for a single handle bucket bag using Crow 3D. We start with a foundation pattern, also called a sloper or blueprint, which ensure the correct size and structure of your finished bag. This base becomes your master template and support every step of the digital pattern making process. This bag features a bottom gusset that connects directly to the bottom of the body panel. You'll begin by drawing the bottom. You'll also learn key Crow 2D tools for shaping outline, refining curves, and applying the fullness line tool to add natural volume with precision. These steps ensure your pattern is accurate and production ready, whether for virtual simulation or real-world sewing. Determine the ideal handle length to achieve a natural hang and identify the precise placement of the handle tabs for balance support on the bag's body. You may use a concept image or vector-based illustration to guide your proportion. With the Edit Texture tool in the 2D window, you can resize the image to actual dimensions for accurate pattern drafting. Alternatively, you can draft the base pattern directly from your hand-drawn sketch, ensuring all balance point and functional elements are included. These steps are essential for creating a pattern that accurately reflects the final size and structure of the bag you designed. Establishing perpendicular corners. Adjust both the top and bottom corners of the body panel to form 90-degree angles. This is essential for ensuring that the side seam connect cleanly with the front and back panels and that the top and bottom edges align smoothly with other components like the gusset. Select the Add Pattern tool, right-click on each corner point, top and bottom, then choose Perpendicular Pattern Corner. In the dialog box, set the perpendicular segment length to 5 mm and define the direction. Assembly ready. Complete set of bucket bag patterns. File pattern preparation phase is concluded, with all key components at hand. This includes 2 body patterns, 1 bottom pattern, 1 handle, and 2 tabs, all tailored and aligned for the next stage of assembly. Each piece is crafted to meet the design specification and is now set for construction.